anniversary of the return of King Prempeh to the Golden Kingdom. We'd like to say a big thank you for your hard work and for your creativity and innovations.
We would like to acknowledge everyone who made it possible to have these artifacts brought back home to Asanteman. If you were part of this process, we say Onyankopo Eshrao onto one them not the obey so any Asanteman Edamase.
Your Majesty, as I indicated earlier on the 3rd of November 2023, His Majesty King Nzwati III, traditional area, leading the delegation from Anglo Gold to present these regalias to His Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II. Precious ornaments looted from the corridors of the kingdom, displaced and coming back home safely. And indeed, as eloquently said by the Ghana's High Commissioner to Seychelles, Her Excellency Francisca, we thank God they are all back home. Yes, indeed, we thank God. Many will come. We have the huge assurance many will come. If you are watching us live, we are here at the Manshare Palace celebrating the return of King Prempeh I, the centenary return of King Prempeh I from exiles. Over the past 1 year, beginning from the 6th of February, the Planning Committee, on the 25th anniversary of His Majesty, put along programs and events reflecting the legacies of His Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II. The Planning Committee, 1 year ago, in this year, 2024, put up events and programs that reflect the resilience and the heritage of Asanteman. Under the chairmanship of Nana Otu-Srebo II, the Mayene of Asante Jobin, and the chairman of the Council of States. We had 18-member committee, and that included Berima Safo Chinabua Kodia Kumaumahene, Nana Efa Appington, Bompataman Hene, Nana Nsuasi Poku Achiman III, Otumfuo Achiame Hene, Achafo Asafo Boache Ajiman Bonsu, Akwamu Hene, Otiba Boache Ajay Wahine the second, Otumfuo Hiahine, Nanansa Aduba the second, Yamfo Hene, Barima Ochiabo Amankwa Adunang the second, Kuntanase Hene, Nana Ajay Koko Tachifri Beye Man, Tiobodom Man Hene, Okadache Amoa Atru Nkonkonchia the second, Jape Krumhine, Nana Ajekuma Difie II, Mampon Hima, Nana Jobin Afrakuma. We shall now welcome the Manshia Royal Dancers to give us a glimpse of our Ashanti culture. Your Excellencies, we dance here to communicate. We dance to express gratitude and respect to our king, His Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II. And here I present to you the Manshia Royal Dancers.